Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we are going to do another chapter from your Wordsworth English Reader for class 4. You must have listened to the various sounds in nature, especially when you are outside or in a garden. You have heard the sound of animals, insects, birds, and you must be wondering how different they are. And have you heard a buzzing sound? And have you noticed a little bee? Yes, the buzzing sound is made by the bee. And the title of our chapter is Why Do Bees Buzz? You know, children, that bees, particularly bumblebees, make a loud buzzing sound. Here you can see the picture of a bee. You know, how does the sound come out? The sound is made when the wings beat up and down. The smaller the wings, the faster the bees have to beat them in order to fly. And the quicker they beat, the louder the buzz. Bees also buzz to do something very useful, especially when they find that there is a beautiful garden with flowers or there is a lot of pollen. And they are, just like the postman delivering the letters. They take the pollen from one flower and deliver it on the other flower. Pollen, is a powdery grain that sticks on the bees when they move around the flower in search of nectar. Bees are excellent pollinators. Thanks to them, because then only the new plants grow. Pollination takes place and then seeds are formed, fruits are formed. And so we have much to thank the bees for. When the bees sit on a flower to suck honey, the grains of pollen stick to their feet and bodies. Then, when the same bee visits another flower and begins to perform a lively dance, the quivering shakes the pollen off on other flowers. Bees are the buzzing godfathers of many new plants that grow away from the parent plant or parent tree. Another reason why the bees buzz is that they breathe. And as they breathe and as the sound of the bee breathing you can hear in the form of buzz, as the air moves through their segmented bodies, you can hear the buzzing sound. It is just like a roller coaster ride of the air through all those bumpy parts inside and thus creates a buzz. Bees are so very useful in making honey. They provide us with honey, which is a very amazing thing that these small insects can make honey. And honey is made from the sweet nectar of flowers. Honey has been a delicacy since millions of years, and it is none other to thank than the bee. Here in the picture, you can see a male bee. It's a drone. You can see here it's black in color. And most of the drones, or all the drones you can say, do not have any sting. Isn't that lovely to hear? So, if you are able to identify a drone, you can put it on the palm of your hand and feel it crawling. A sweet little bee. It does not have a sting. Here you can see in the picture a drone. Another thing that comes to our mind is this buzzing sound a code word used by the bees to call their friends? Or is it a hum of excitement when honey is spotted? Although all the bees make buzzing sound, but bumblebees make the most buzzing sound. Children, I hope you loved all this about the bumblebees. The bees are so very interesting, and I hope you like this chapter as well. Children, if you have liked this video, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to remain updated with the latest videos. Thank you.